we go! Yes! I mean, let's fucking go!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 440, effective until midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Dane, Greene, Iowa, Jefferson, Lafayette, Richmond, Rock, Sauk, Vernon, and Walworth. And the following: Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. And the following counties in Illinois: Boone,